Okay, so balikan naman natin yung issue pa rin sa West Philippine Sea because yung atin ito coalition is going there right now. Let's talk about it with atin ito co-convener Ed De La Torre. Magandang umaga po sa inyo, sir. Thanks for joining us.
Magandang umaga sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pagtawag sa amin.
Opo.
Medyo umuulan ngayon dito sa El Nido pero
Nandiyan na po kayo.
dumating na yung Captain Felix Oca with the other volunteers. Some of the other artists who could not sail from Manila kasi 24 hours yun eh.
Right.
They decided to fly in to El Nido or Puerto Princesa motorway. Ngayon, today we will start loading the other participants to the Captain Felix Oca, and at 5 to 7 this evening, we will have the 2-hour concert at sea for peace and solidarity. Hopefully, the weather will permit, and I don't think the Chinese are about to harass us. This is territorial water of the
Right.
Philippines,
Oo.
not sea, but still, we want to make sure that our artists are safe. Alam mo naman, mga artists yan, they don't want to go into trouble. And to their credit, with all the possible risk, we can't control everything. They
Right.
decided, sige, taya kami riyan because issue natin yan at saka in our own way, kahit awit, in a peaceful way. We just want to communicate that we are in solidarity with the Filipino people, especially our fisher folk na nahaharap. So, maraming salamat sa kanila. It's a new thing for us, no? Activist community kami, mas bihasa mag-rally o mag-manifesto at kung ano-ano pa. Ibang klase ito, konsyerto.
Oo nga eh.
Itong concert ba, sir, will it be broadcast via live streaming or kaya shown at a later date to at least the public audiences?
Both technology and weather permitting, it will be live streamed via Facebook lang. Wala naman kaming bigger capacity. Although we were able to get Starlink link, so mas madali-dali. Pero ano yun, may weather, may interference pag wireless eh. But hopefully, and it's pa-dramatic sunset, we hope. Some donated even fireworks. May fireworks pa.
Wow, abangan natin.
Pero saan mismo yung concert po? May audience ba kayo near an island or somewhere at sea?
Off the coast of El Nido, malapit lang. We are using different boats to board the performers and other audiences on Captain Oca. We'll do that for mga 2 hours and chika-chika, ganon. And then early morning tomorrow, the boat, the others will unload back to shore, will sail for Pag-asa Island. And again, at a distance from Pag-asa Island, they'll have a second concert on the morning of the 28th. Mga siguro 11 in the morning. Hindi na originally kasi pa-dramatic ring sunset pero sabi na nakaka-nervous yan. Pag gabi baka may mangyari doon. So, ano na lang.
Safety first,
Tonight,
ika nga.
sunset concert. Then on the third day, on the 28th, it will be a late morning concert. But similar performers and the volunteers and the artists and their crew are all excited and eager to go. It will be interesting. You never know
Right.
how things happen.
Sir, let's give context to what we are talking about. This is the third time ang atin ito coalition will set sail to West Philippine Sea. Para po sa inyong misyon. Para po sa ating mga manonood, ano po ba talaga yung hangarin ng atin ito West Philippine Sea? And why at this third time ay concert naman po ang naisip po ninyong gawin?
Well, nagsimula ang atin ito, simple lang. Sabi namin, okay, issue ito, government to government ang usapin dyan. Wala ba tayong magagawa bilang citizens, no? And of course, we come from a civil society, kind of activist background. But we said, can we reach out to people who are not usually involved in matters like this? So we said, in 2023, we thought a very simple thing. Our frontliners, the fisher folk, the Coast Guard and all that, let's have a gift giving. Kultura yan ng Pinoy eh. Pag Pasko, sino pa balik mag-Christmas gift giving? But then someone said, hindi, isama na natin yung BRP Sierra Madre. That gave it an edge. So talagang hinarang kami ron. So we said, lipat na lang tayo. We don't want confrontation. We tried to send to another group of soldiers on Lawak Island. Hinarang pa rin kami. But we used a smaller boat. Hindi makasunod yung Chinese ship because shallow yung so nakapunta. So sabi namin, okay, we lost some, won some, but more important, we proposed the issue. Sabi namin, can we civilianize the conflict? Because China is trying to militarize it. Secondly, we cannot leave it to government to do what it is responsible for doing. Let's do something as citizens. So that's one. The next year, they said, okay, what about naman ng mga fisher folk sa Masinloc? And then a lot of campus and students also invite us to their campuses to explain about it. Even the Catholic Bishops' Conference asked us to explain to them. So we thought, oh, this is good. So now this year, they said, let's do something different na kasi ang tingin doon sa baka masyadong confrontational.
Yeah.
O sige, let's do something parang reaching out, including to China. Peace naman tayo. Sabi nila, wag naman tayong wag tayong magbarilan at bakbakan. Away pa rin because we're not going to yield our rights which is recognized by the United Nations. So, it's hard. I've been always asking, ano magagawa niyan? Kanta lang naman yan. That's the whole issue. Culture is soft, but it can be soft power, and more important, it's something that a lot of people can relate to, including, we even sent, I don't know whether they take it seriously or think there's malice there. We sent a formal invitation to the Chinese embassy and said, you want to send a performer, we're willing to so that we can have a people-to-people type of settlement of
Did they
this.
respond?
Of course, they will not. They think we're just very clever. Ang hirap na. In fact, we were told by the government when we coordinated with them, sabi nila, ay Ed, alam namin kayo talaga, civilian society. Kayo, dati critical pa yun sa government. It is a civil society initiative. But we have to tell you, the Chinese government has no experience of independent citizens initiative na hindi pakulo ng gobyerno.
Right.
Kaya they will suspect that you are also a government initiative. That's why we will not be with you. We will stay at a discreet distance, especially the Coast Guard, because it's our duty to protect you in case there's a danger. So there will be 2 Coast Guard vessels at a reasonable distance, standing guard in case we need their help. Ganun lang.
Okay. And then there will be gift-giving pa rin po aside from the concert.
Yes.
Oo. Ilan po yung magiging beneficiary natin po dito sa gift-giving natin?
2 set immediately dito sa El Nido area, fisher folk, including their leaders from different fisher folks association here in Palawan, are coming this afternoon and tonight. They'll be part of the concert, but we'll be receiving the various, because we have received a lot of very generous donations from different people, including business. And then in Pag-asa Island, kokonti lang ang fisher folk doon, wala pang 20 to 30. Ganun rin. But beyond that, like we fundraise among the campuses, but even some Rotary Club did it because what they need in addition to asserting our rights is to improve their catch, and one way is to have what they call payaws, yung fish aggregation device in the exclusive economic zone. It costs between 150 to 200,000. The fisher folk construct them themselves. It increases their harvest even though limited, wala na silang access to the richer fishing grounds near Masinloc and all that. So we try to do both awareness but also direct assistance, especially to the fishing communities.
Right.
What they tell us is they appreciate. Dati kasi problema na namin ito, wala namang pumapansin sa amin. Mabuti, through you, napapansin kami. Kasi
Right.
sa totoo lang, I have the reality in the Philippines, pag hindi nagsalita ang middle class or professionals, hindi man naglanding sa media, the grassroots are wala sa isip natin. Kaya sabi na paminsan-minsan, parang sabi na, parang nakakalabit nyo ang damdamin at utak ng mga kapwa Pilipino na, hoy, nandito kami. Hindi mahalaga yung bigas
Yung
at
laban,
kanin. Mahalaga rin ang ulam. Kailangan nyo ng protein. At ang isda ay isang pinanggagalingan ng protein. Yan ang
Totoo,
pinaka-affordable in addition to chicken.
Sir, hindi lang po local artists ang magpe-perform sa inyo pong Peace Solidarity concert. Who else are going to be performing?
Nakakatuwa nga at nakakabigla eh. When we reach out, siyempre iba-iba. We ask the Philippine Educational Theatres Association, PETA, si professional cultural group yan. They reach out through our contacts. The first one who responded, of all places, is a Japanese singer nagkataon, he's based in Japan, but there was a time pala, naging ano yan, participant sa Pinoy Big Brother. So, kilala si Tommy. I talked to him yesterday, kasama niyo barkada niya, okay siya. And then, grabe, an all-girl Korean pop group. Tapos, ang all-Filipino naman, based in Korea. So, yun ang dalawang, no. Pero dito sa kabila naman, may Indonesian singer, may Malaysian singer, and then of course, mas karamihan siyempre mga Filipino artists, no? In addition to Noel Cabangon, nandito si Abby Dancel, we will have an all-women's rock group. Excited ako, first time ko silang na-meet, Rouge. At one of their singers, sabi niya, hindi na ba ako singer lang? Environmental ako. Galit ako, nasisira yung ating mga chorals dyan sa West Philippines. So, they're not just performing, they understand, no? And of course, they worry a bit, no? Because baka, sabi namin, no, your safety will be the primary concern. We're not going to,
Of course, yun po yung pinaka-concern, sir, yung how can we ensure yung security, of course, of this whole mission, di ba? Yung mga volunteers po natin na pupunta doon, yung mga invited guests natin, invited performers, etc.
Well, at least 2 times din. So at least medyo natuto na kami paano kami kahit anong gandang plano mo, may ibang nagpaplano ang maliban sa weather. So may contingency, may 3 kaming senaryo. Ang una, everything smooth. Ang pangalawa, may konting harassment pero hindi masyado. May pangatlo, talagang sobra. Pag ganun, iwas naman tayo. Ano ba tayo? Hello. Mahaba itong labanang ito. We don't want unnecessary.
Alright.
Kasi nga, karanasan namin nung kami aktivista. Alam mo, sa rally, pag nagkaroon ng violence, yung violence na nagiging news, nakalimutan ang issue. So we want to keep this peaceful so that the message comes across clearly. We assert our rights, we want to assert it peacefully, we reach out to fellow claimants, and mag-solidarity tayo. And even, if anyone is there in China who says, hey, we're neighbors, can't we live together in relative peace and all that? Sabi, reach out tayo, people to people, usapan. Let's organize it, no? So that's the message, and we want to avoid unnecessary violence that might distract from this issue, no?
Baka sir, I'd like to invite our viewers also would like to watch the concert on your live stream. So ano yung Facebook page nyo and what time do they expect it to go live?
5 o'clock to 7 p.m. For tonight. And tomorrow, the day after, the 28th, somewhere between 10 to 12, depending on the sailing time. Kasi 28 hours pala from El Nido to Pag-asa. Layo. So, but yes, I think there is an Atin Ito Facebook page, but we'll text you and send you whether they have kind of coordinated with other Facebook pages, no?
Okay.
For the live stream. But definitely, we have enough technology. Mayroon kaming, anong tawag nun? Yung kay Musk,
Starlink ba yan?
yeah, may Starlink kami, may Starlink.
Oo. Alright, we are one with you in prayer for a peaceful and safe peace concert rally there
event.
sa West Philippine Sea.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat talaga. At saka including for fair weather, although the weather is now getting fairer. This morning, nervous kami, umuulan.
Alright. Maraming salamat po atin ito co-convener Ed De La Torre for joining us here on News and Views.
Maraming salamat.